Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And Alexa, thank you so much for my return supporters. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram and TikTok, I'm gonna have my account name right here, and the link for my TikTok and my Instagram is on the description of this video. If you follow me, comment on my post for me to follow you back. All right, so today's video is an exciting video. We are going to be unboxing this makeup box. This is from the brand Eyescreams. I think that is the name, Eyescreams, and the super pretty box. This is a monthly beauty box subscription that you get. I think it's 5 to 7 full-size products. No deluxe sample, is full-size product, and every month's box you get eyeshadow palette, and then you get on the box normally makeup tools like brushes, skincare, and all beauty related stuff like that. So we're going to be unboxing this one. Unfortunately, I am not sure, but I think it's September's box. I think I got the box a little while ago, but I even been working a lot, so I didn't have time to go through my PR box packages and do the PR videos. So that's why we are in another month. So but better late than never, right? So let's unbox this beauty here. So the box is super cute, and I'm going to have the link for Eyescream down in the description of this video if you guys decide to check them out. Who doesn't like a beauty box, right? I love it. So if you are starting your makeup collection, beauty box a great tool for you to stock up and collect palettes and another makeup stuff that you will need. All right, so that's how the box comes. So when you open the box, it comes like that. This is a little bag that the palette came in, and actually was very well protected. And here you have a little card telling you about each product. So I'm going to tell you guys as we go which product came, and then I tell you guys, I'll show you guys. So the first thing here on the list is the Beauty Cropped Cocoa Rose Blush Palette that retails for $15. Let me put the box here in front of me so we can get through that palette. Here's the palette, and like I said, I didn't try this yet because I didn't have time to film. So today I was filming some of my collaboration videos. So then I was like, you know what, let me just, I started like every day after filming work content, I am filming one of my PRs so I don't get so back up with them. All right, so this is the beautiful palette here. This is the beauty cropped cocoa rose palette, super gorgeous. So in the back here you have the blush's name. You have Paradise, Peach, Beach, Tiki Rose, Passion Fruit. So let's see what this beauty look inside. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, so pretty. You guys see that? Very, very nice. I'm just going to swatch here. We will going to be trying this on camera. I'm going to do a video try all the product that comes on this box, but before we get to that video, I just want to show you guys the box, so you know, I don't get so behind the month that the box was for. Wow, the blushes are so pigmented, so beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah, you have all the blushes shade, very pretty. Let me just get this one. Yes, wow, this is stunning, very, very pigmented, gorgeous, love it. put this here. Alright. And alright, let's go with the little card. I'm going jumping to the next product. So the next one is Appeal Cosmetic Gel Liner for eye or lips. 2 of them for $42. Alright, so let's see this. Liner, Appeal Cosmetic. Okay. Let's see, 2. Okay, here the second one. Wow, they're gorgeous. So I'm going to swatch on the side here the lip liner. Wow, gorgeous. Love this pink. Okay, it's a pink, and this one look like I'm gonna tell you guys the name of this shade. This one's like a brown color. So these are 2 lip liners here. So let's see the name. The name of the deep top. So the dark brown one is deep top, and then the pink one is Muse. Very beautiful, very nice, very creamy. Alright, so the next product here is going to be my skin mask, turmeric and vitamin C clay mask, $40. Okay, so this is the mask here. Okay, so the box is really big, but the container is very small, and come with a little tiny brush. I'm gonna open so we can see. Interesting. I love a good skin mask, and this one hydrate with hemp seed oil, glow with kakadu plum, brightening with turmeric, and invigorate with green tea. Nice. Apply a layer to fresh, clean and dry skin. Relax and chill for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with warm water. Nice. Okay, interesting. Definitely looking forward to try this mask. So the next product on this eye cream box is going to be Grilactic. I think that is the name. Smudge eraser stick for $17. Okay. This. Yeah, Grilactic. Smudge eraser. Interesting. I don't know if I ever heard of a product like that. Oh, look at this. Smudge eraser stick crayon effect. Look at that. How to use: apply the smudge eraser stick to remove unwanted smudge. Oh, that's nice. So this is like if you make a little mistake doing your eyeliner or anything else, you just go swipe this and get a cotton bud and pass on the top. Nice. I never had a product like that. Good idea. Like it. The next thing here is gonna be the Beauty Crop Down Guys in palette. I think that's how to say. And this palette retail for $15. Definitely worth more than $15 because it's beautiful. Alright, so I told you I didn't use yet, so the palette still has the little seal on, but let's remove so because I can see the colors. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. This palette is gorgeous. Very beautiful. Let me just, oh, this shade here, the glitter shade is so pretty. A lot of like a neutral kind of warm tones. Definitely a beautiful palette. Very nice, very pretty. And this was the last product on this eye cream box. You know, I like it. It's giving me like you guys know the box vibes, and the products actually is very nice. Let me see if I have any info here on the box. The box costs $25 a month, and you get product up to $120 to $130 worth it. Very nice. And you actually can shop past box that they have here on the site, which is really nice. I'm gonna have the link down below for Eyescreambeauty if you guys decide to give them a try, and we will gonna be trying these products in our next makeup tutorial that we do. Now for this month we're going to have a lot of makeup video coming up, so definitely gonna have the opportunity to try this box. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about Eyescreambeauty, if you would like to give them a try. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.